Imou Self-Empty Apollo Vacuum Cleaner Robot. Aspirador Friegasuelos Home Appliance. Self-emptying 3000 milliliters dust disposal bag and auto dirt disposal base quick mapping multi-channel sensor with lighter navigation. Never miss a spot path calculation, powered by smart algorithms. Strong suction efficiently clean. With 2700 PA suction 3IN1 system includes sweeping, vacuuming and mopping smooth moving avoids and crosses obstacles. Without getting stuck app control customize schedule. And supervise your cleaning auto recharge if the battery gets low. It will return to get charged. Then resume cleaning singles pass, 2 cleans with electronically controlled water tank. You can use the app to adjust water usage for each room's atmosphere. Low water usage in the bedroom, medium water usage in the living room, high water usage in the kitchen. No more getting stuck. Imou Self-Empty Apollo Vacuum Cleaner Robo. With the multi-channel sensor system, the robot can effectively avoid obstacles and clean your house without getting stuck.